Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about, in my opinion, what is the best investment you can make now and basically anytime. All right, let's get into it. Our fundamentally flawed economy is showing more and more cracks every day, and people are scrambling, figuring out what to do with their money, their wealth. You got everything from crypto, NFTs, gold, bond, metals, real estate, and the list is endless. Some more speculative than others, obviously, but in my opinion, the best investment you can make, and it's the one I've made most consistently, is investment in yourself, particularly investment in knowledge, what I think is useful knowledge, particularly moving forward, knowledge that reconnects us to what it means to be human, really. Our basic survival, food, water, shelter, community. I don't have a lot of financial wealth. Anytime I've had a surplus, I've spent it on acquiring knowledge, and I started it off with wilderness survival because I wanted to go back to, what are the basics of being human on this planet, and what do we need to know to survive. Then I followed that up with studying permaculture, how we can design our current systems using the laws of nature to provide for ourselves and provide abundance. So I've traveled around the world on my own dime for many years to gather that knowledge and experience. The skills I've acquired would welcome me almost anywhere in the world. Usually, at the minimum, you can find yourself room and board for hard work and useful knowledge. People are willing to teach you if you're willing to learn and you're willing to work hard and be an asset, not be a liability. So that's it. Simple. Knowledge is the one asset that is the hardest to take away. Anything tangible can be lost, stolen, or destroyed. We love the concept of private property, but if you really want to know who owns your property, stop paying your taxes. All we're really doing is leasing it from the government. Honestly, the concept of private property, I think, ultimately is a flawed concept. I believe is that our role on this planet is to be caretakers of the earth. We shouldn't have the concept of owning land. We should be stewarding land. Maybe in our current consciousness level, that's not going to work, but I think if we want to continue to exist on this planet in a world of abundance, I think that's the concept we need to shift to. All right, hope you're enjoying these videos. If you're new, consider subscribing. Hit the like button, share with your friends. It tells YouTube to put it in front of more eyes. If you want some cool permaculture themed shirts, check out the link below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.